Hello, Justin here with Custom Trailer Pros, and today we're going to show you a few tips on how to best use your electrical system. All of our trailers come with some amount of electrical equipment that's in them. We put a lot of commercial refrigeration and freezers in it, and so one thing that we don't want to do is overwhelm the electrical system or the equipment that's in it. And so what we're going to do is show you how to do a soft startup and a soft shutdown so that you can best utilize this system. Before you even plug your trailer in, make sure that all of your breakers are in the off position. Then once you've plugged in, what we mean when we say a soft startup is you're going to come in, turn your main breaker on first, and then you're going to slowly go through each breaker one at a time, turn it on, let the piece of equipment that's being powered by that breaker start up and get running, and then cool down. Every time the equipment starts up, that's when it's drawing the most amperage. And so what we're trying to avoid is having a huge amperage draw on the entire system all at one time. So you turn a breaker on, maybe even walk around, do something else for a couple minutes to get started up, come back, turn the next breaker on, give it a couple of minutes, and so on and so forth until you get through the whole thing. Same thing, end of the day, you're ready to shut down. Don't just unplug the trailer. That could cause some issues with the electrical system. Come back through when you're ready, turn the breakers off one at a time. You probably don't have to wait quite as long in between shutting them down, but take a minute between each one, shut them down till they're all off, and finally shut your main breaker off, and then you can unplug the trailer. So that's the electrical system. I hope that's helpful. If there's anything else, any questions that you have, just let us know.